Hey guys, Keith of Alaskan Motorhome. I just got an email telling me that I got a package outside my door. I recently ordered a new RV refrigerator roof vent for my motorhome from Camco. So let's check it out. Sweet. My big project for this weekend is to put all the snow machines away and take the RV cover off. Oh, my dog hears me at the door. So let's take this thing over here and open it up and see what it looks like. Instead of getting the stock original one, I got a different one that looks like it'd be a little bit more aerodynamic. Alright, I'm going to open this baby up with this old World War II pocket knife. Is that thing sweet or what? Alright. All right. So, what did I get? Let's check it out. I got the Camco RV vent cover white, made for Dometic and Norcold bases. And usually the stock one is kind of all square looking, but this one kind of looks aerodynamic. Ooh, check that out. What are you doing, dog? Alright, stop, go. Alright, cool. My old one's really cracked, and I'm sure it leaks like crazy, so this ought to be a lot nicer. Well, I like the shape of it. It's got that slope, rounded edge in the front. Can't wait to get this RV cover off and install this, so stay tuned for that video. It's supposed to be really easy. There's all the hardware that comes with it. So, looking forward to installing this. Alright guys, stay tuned.